Hello students, welcome in online English class. Today we are going to do activity number 10 and 11 on page number 32. Let's read the instruction first. Read the following words aloud. Note the last letter and say the last sound. So, first of all, we are going to read these words. You repeat after me. Cock, kid, file, tree, dog, shell, dream, train, map, car, bat, paw. Okay, now what we are going to do? Read the instruction again. Make one many pairs as shown by adding s at the end of the words. Okay, now we are going to add letter s at the end of these words. But how we are going to write? Look at this. We are going to write like this. One job, many jobs. One many. Second example. One brush, many brushes. Okay, so we are going to write like this. One many. So let's start. One cock, many cocks. One kid, many kids. One file, many files. One tree, many trees. One dog, many dogs. One shell, many shells. One dream, many dreams. One train, many trains. One map, many maps. One car, many cars. One boat, many boats. And one paw, many paws. Very good. Now let's read these words first. Class. You repeat after me. Class. Brush. Eyelash. Bunch. Glass. Dash. Match. Fox. Dress. Dish. Branch. Box. Okay, now let's listen and repeat the sound also. Look at the sound of the last letter. Class S. Brush sh. Eyelash sh. Bunch ch. Glass s. Dash sh. Match ch. Fox x. Dress s. Dish sh. Branch ch. And box x. Okay, so the sound at the last letter is r, s, sh, ch and x. So these are the sounds. Now what we are going to do again? Same thing, we are going to add es. Now this time we are going to add es at the end of the each words. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start. Class, classes, es. Okay, brush, brushes, es. Eyelash, eyelashes. Bunch, bunches. Glass, glasses. Dash, dashes. Match, matches. Fox, foxes. Dress, dresses. Dish, dishes. Bunch, bunches, and box, boxes. Okay, very good. Now look at the last activity, activity number 11. Read the instruction first. Read the following sentences. Use the ideas in each box to make smaller sentences. Okay. Now here are some boxes are given. Now by using these words we are going to make sentences. For example, look at the first box. Lion, mouse. Bigger, smaller. Okay, so we are going to make sentences by using these four words. Okay, these are the comparison. These sentences are called comparison. For example, look at these two sentences. A lion is bigger than a mouse. And the second sentence is, a mouse is smaller than a lion. Okay, so observe these two sentences and try to make more sentences by using other words. Now look at the other words. Sun, moon, and brighter. Two trees, taller and smaller. So you take two names of the trees, like a coconut tree, mango tree. Here stone, brick, and harder. Okay, now first of all pause the video and try to make the sentences. Okay, so let's see second sentence here. Sun, you check your answer. Sun is brighter than moon. Then check your answer, coconut tree and mango tree. Okay, so coconut tree is taller than mango tree. And second sentence, mango tree is shorter than coconut tree. Good. Check your answers. Here, stone is harder than brick. Okay, now the last activity. Here also some words are given. Two books, more interesting. Two butterflies, more colorful. Now here you can take any two books. For example, Wings of Fire and Ignited Mind. These two books you can take. You can take Marathi books also. Batataची चाळ, Apurvai. Okay, you can take any two books and compare those two books. And here two butterflies. You can take any two butterflies. For example, white butterfly, colorful butterfly, red butterfly, yellow butterfly, and frame two sentences. Pause the video and frame two sentences. Now I tell you the answer, you check your answer. Two books. Okay. Now I compare two books of APJ Abdul Kalam's book, Wings of Fire and Ignited Mind. Okay. So Wings of Fire is more interesting than Ignited Mind. Okay. Here two butterflies. I compared two butterflies. For example, white butterfly and colorful butterfly. White butterfly and red butterfly. Okay, so let's start. Red butterfly is more colorful than white butterfly. Okay, in this way you can make many sentences by using two things. So students, so you can make many sentences by using two things, like two boys, two girls, two teachers, two friends, two houses, two buildings, two villages, two cities, two countries, two rivers, two subjects, two food items, 2 mobiles. Okay, so you can frame many sentences. Okay, so thank you very much.